So it's another day. So it's Saturday. What did I do last night? Oh, I was tuning the not the throttle. The clutch plate was sticking a little bit, so I bled the clutch again. Now the clutch is functioning. I can still hear. I can hear the clutch disc when I push the clutch in, and I can shift it now on up in the air. It'll probably get a little. It might. It might work better on the ground. Jacked around with his intake to get my idle set right. It's still kind of wobbly, but we're getting closer. And then timing. So this distributor is throwing about 28 degrees of advance. And this car wants 30 to 32 degrees over 2,500 RPM. So if I set it at 10, I'm running 38 degrees, so I'm a little bit over. Right now it looks like it's running like 39. And then if I take the vacuum advance loose and just use mechanical, it throws about 15 degrees of advance. So I could up my base setting to about 15, which I had it set at earlier. And then that'll get me to closer to 32. So I think that's what I'm fixing to do right now. And so when you change the distributor advance, when you advance the timing on the distributor, you're gonna increase the RPMs on the motor. You're gonna have to adjust the idle again. It's a process. So don't do this one until you do that one. And then once you got that set and everything set, and then you make another adjustment over here, you're gonna make another adjustment over here. And so then once you get all of this set on the distributor side, then you can do the final on the intake side. Shows 0, the timing mark is off of the 3 levels, so I'm past 10. And if I dial this up, I'm running about 16 degrees of advance. So this is showing me on the 0 mark, but I'm at 16. So then when I rev it up, I'm going to change it to 32. And now when I look down there, I can't see shit. On the 0, so I'm good. I'm gonna lock it down. Don't have to bump it. Try not to get your fingers ripped off. Ouch, that's hot. Check it again. Timing set, and our idle went up from 900 to 1100. So now we make changes over there on the throttle thingamajig doohickey screw job deal. Turn this like this so you can see it. put a couple more turns on that hold down. Let's throw an air cleaner on it and take it for a run. The charging system works, the cooling system works, the oil system works. I run the timing light off of a remote battery. I mean, I could put it on the car and measure voltage, but the voltage is working. I'm making volts when I rev the car up. So that means the alternator's working. Battery's fully charged. I say let's go see what happens. That's why I couldn't find my tool. I left it next to the air cleaner. Okay, let's see what happens. Hey, man. Really? What was that? Son of a bitch! Kids, don't try this at home. Fail to fire. It wants to fire. Gonna do it again. Weird, right? You know, it's just fiasco. What'd you expect?
Did you die down there?
I did. Were you listening?
I was watching too. On 360.
Oh.
Down by the
stop sign?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So it died and then
I didn't get you going fast. I only got
you
going
slow. And then it does
slow.
this.
You gonna flood it?
Maybe.
It smells like it.
Does it?
Yeah.
Smells like gas?
I smell something really, really strong. It's not gas.
Oh, that's the exhaust. That's the exhaust stuff burning off.
Oh, okay.
GoPro, stop recording.